Early morning swatches, guys. Love it. I got a package from NYX. Ang ganda ng mga lip suede nila. I love it so much. I'll do a video on that. Currently having breakfast with Mark. Brunch ngayon. Hi, good morning.
Hi.
Bagong gising look clerks first. I'm having some hamonado longganisa. We have some waffle. Ano sa'yo, Boo?
Smoked bacon.
But it's not crispy.
Smoke. Not
Okay.
fried.
Okay. We finally have the ladder, guys. Okay, B, akit ka na.
Sira na siya.
Ah,
Kailangan bumili ng bagong socket.
yun yung sira. So, hindi sira yung bulb ko.
Yeah.
Ang sira is...
Ito.
We're now heading to the benefit event. I'm with Joy Sala.
Hello.
Saan yun? Revel? Revel ba yun? Yun, sa Palace Pool Club. Katabi nun. Doon yung event. So, nakalagay sa invitation, activities, no? 3 p.m.
Yeah.
Tapos yung program talaga is 5. So, yay! This is my look for today after 10 outfit changes. Nakakaloka. Sabi ko kay Mark, ano ba? Ito ba? Pero yun na. Denim, tapos yung dress ko nung sinuot ko sa Ad Summit. Tapos for my makeup, I used browsings for my brows from Benefit. This lip color is from NYX. Yung lip suede nila, bago siya. Cream lipstick in the shade of 03 lang. Walang name. Super cute, diba? Love it. It's very, paano ko ba ma-explain? Basta ang ganda. Sobrang pigmented ng color. Tapos yun. Anyway, i-review ko na lang siya for you. Tapos, for my eyeliner, oh my gosh, sobrang in love ako sa eyeliner na to. First time ko magamit to. It's also from Benefit. Tapos, ano siya? Push-up liner. I haven't tried it before. Dala ko ba, girl? Ayan, it's the They're Real Sexy on the Run, ang tawag mo dito? Box. Box, girl, box. Pero sa loob kasi merong
Kit.
Kit siya. May mascara, push-up liner, ayan, remover. So, ginamit ko yung push-up liner. Super duper uber bongga niya. Actually, nire-review ko rin siya today kasi nga super bongga talaga. Kala ko normal gel liner lang siya, pero kaya pala napupush up niya kasi iba yung texture ng gel. Kaya sobrang ganda talaga. They're Real eyeliner. Tapos, for my cheeks, hindi yung makita. Pero I have the anong bronzer yun, girl? Ito yun, no? Kit ng, yeah, Hula. Kit din siya. Super ganda nito. Ang ganda, girl, no? Grabe.
Bago yan ang Benefit.
Bago. I love it. So, yun. Hula. Tapos, Coralista on the cheeks. Tapos, yung Rocature ba yun? Para siyang highlighter. Ang ganda sobra. Anyway, yun. Sabi ko lang, gamit ako ng Benefit since Benefit event. Demong bongo! Here at the event, super aga namin ito. Wala pa siyang tao. And they're actually, preparing pa. Hi! This from Bea Barreto! Yay!
I have more pa.
Japan mo binili, girl? Japan? I love it kasi I found na may Instax scam. So, yay! We're gonna use this! Thank you, babe! 20 pieces, no? I love it. So, chill time pa lang daw ngayon. So, it's only almost 4 p.m. But everyone's just, hanging out. We ordered drinks na. Tapos, yun, super fun lang kasi super ganda daw ng brow product na in-launch nila today. I'm so excited kasi nga, I've been using browsing for over siguro mga ilang araw na. I love it so much. Look at that. Kasi super duper bongga at meron silang brow selfie contest. So, I'm gonna join that. much, Dave! Thank you! I love it. I enjoyed it so much. Ang fresh ni Chef! Look at her! Oh my God, girl! It's Nikki! Hi!
Hello, guys.
When I do this, put it together like that, we all know that this, it won't pass through here.
Yeah.
It will not pass through here. Not here, not here, not here, not, especially not here. Because why? They're rubber bands, they're solid. But watch, if I rub them together like this, you can actually see as the two melt together.
What? Paano yun? Uy, paano yun?
Watch, 4 coins. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 3 coins. There's 1 coin there.
What? This is Jade. Hi.
Nice, I'm Kara.
Oh my gosh. What's your channel?
Jade Furuta. Not so original, but
Oh my.
subscribe
What's your ethnicity?
Brazilian Japanese.
Brazilian Japanese. Oh my God, bongga. I
Oh
love
my
it.
god, I'm so happy I'm meeting you.
Hi, my name is Dominic here in Benefit. Hi, my name is Antoine here from Benefit.
All the way from San Francisco. Here is Jared Bunny. I mean Bailey.
I
We'll only share the photos of the product after May 14th for the global launch. But other than that, feel free to take those photos, post away, share, snap.
Event is over. Super fun. Party
so much fun, guys. So I cannot wait to try all the other products from the new products from Benefit, but we cannot like vlog about it just yet. So I'm not able to show it to you guys. So May 14, ipopost namin lahat kung ano yung mga bagong products. I actually took videos na, pero hindi ko pa siya pwede masama sa vlog. So as in sobrang bonggang-bongga talaga. Kaya you guys stay tuned for it. Super bongga talaga. As in bongga. Anyway, we're just hanging out. Super bongga. I met a new friend. Her name is Jade. Oh my God! Japanese, Brazilian. Super bongga. Finally home, guys. I'm so excited to watch Game of Thrones. Kahapon I watched Game of Thrones from 6 p.m. until 3 a.m. Ganun ako kabonggang-bonggang addict talaga. Anyway, hindi ko na review itong liner tsaka yung lipstick, but okay pa may lipstick. Hindi ako nag-retouch, pero medyo ano siya. Oh, I got a new mirror. Ayan. Tapos, ang nag-smudge is the They're Real mascara. So, medyo nag-smudge siya. But the liner is on fleek. As in, shucks. Bonggang-bonggang-bongga. As in, no smudging at all. I got a package from the mail. It's from Oh My Bag Fills. And this is called their Charisma bag. It's so cute. I'm actually gonna bring this to Palawan. Ang cute niya. Look at that. It's the color teal. I love it. Thank you. Oh, my bag fills. Anyway, that's it na muna for today's vlog. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!